I received my new NanoVNA by courier today afternoon. I've been waiting for this after purchase for 1 week. All my antenna projects need this device to optimize performance. It can also probably do more, but I have to check it out. Here is the video on unboxing my new NanoVNA. As mentioned on the box, it is a very tiny handheld vector network analyzer. See what is inside on unboxing my new NanoVNA. There are two sets of USB cables. One is USB Type A to USB Type C, which I use for charging. The other cable has USB Type C connector at both ends. That is useful for the current type of chargers with only USB Type C sockets. There are a couple of SMA to SMA jumper cables and a few connectors. One can use the SMA connectors while calibrating the NanoVNA. There is a strap for holding the device in the hand and a short leaflet. The leaflet shows NanoVNA menu structure map. It shows the various menus and sub-menus. Here is the reverse side after unboxing my new NanoVNA. It shows 3 frequency ranges, 50 kHz to 300 MHz. As previously discussed, that is the fundamental oscillation frequency of NanoVNA. Next range is 300 MHz to 900 MHz. This range uses the third harmonic of the fundamental frequency. Finally, there is 0.9 GHz to 1.5 GHz, which uses the fifth harmonic. Power needed is 5 volt USB, 500 mAh maximum. It has a built-in rechargeable internal battery as well. Here's a special caution note: avoid static discharge. This is a delicate instrument which has to be handled with extreme care. This is the USB Type A to Type C cable which I use for charging the internal battery of the NanoVNA. I use my mobile phone charger as a USB power source. Yet another USB cable with Type C connectors at both ends. Newer mobile phone chargers do not have Type A socket. Use this cable with those chargers. Here we have the NanoVNA along with 2 short SMA male to SMA male jumper cables. These can be connected to SMA female connectors on devices to be tested. Use with caution as SMA connectors may get damaged with rough use. You can fix the NanoVNA in your hand with this strap. The small triangular piece is for accessing the menu. This is the calibration kit. SMA load 50 ohms, SMA short and SMA open connectors. In addition, there is an SMA male to SMA male barrel connector as well. This is the view of SMA connectors from the other end. Main body of the NanoVNA with 2 ports on one side. A peel-away polythene sheet protects the screen. You can see port 1 and port 2 well now. S11 is used for measuring SWR. During SWR measurement, RF energy from the oscillator is transmitted. Then reflected energy is compared to the forward energy. S21 is used for measuring insertion loss of a length of coaxial cable. In that case, the transmitted output level is compared to the level received by the receiver. Sliding switch to turn the NanoVNA on and off is near the USB Type C socket on top side of the device. Blue LED keeps on blinking when the power is switched on. Red LED lights up during device charging. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing of my new NanoVNA. In the next post, I'll be covering calibration of the NanoVNA. Stay tuned to this channel for a regular series on NanoVNA in the coming days.